Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus LX 570. Connecting your phone to your vehicle's Bluetooth system is a straightforward process that enhances your driving experience. It allows for hands-free communication and seamless audio streaming, making your journeys more enjoyable and safer. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can easily pair your device and take full advantage of this convenient feature in just a few moments. To begin, ensure Bluetooth is activated on your mobile device. Then, in your Lexus LX 570, navigate to the Setup menu on the central display. From there, select the Bluetooth option. You will then see an option to add new device. This step prepares your vehicle to search for and connect with your smartphone, setting the stage for a secure and convenient wireless link. Once your vehicle is ready, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and look for your Lexus LX 570 in the list of available devices. Select it, and a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on your phone. This ensures a secure link, preventing unauthorized access and protecting your personal data during the pairing sequence. After confirming the pairing code, allow a few seconds for the connection to establish fully. Once connected, you can immediately enjoy hands-free phone calls, stream your favorite music, and hear navigation directions through your vehicle's sound system. A great benefit is that your device will automatically reconnect each time you enter your Lexus LX 570, providing effortless convenience. You can manage or delete paired devices anytime through the car's Bluetooth settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.